Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen timeout issues in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a screen timeout option. So from here try changing your screen timeout. So if you are using 15 seconds, then use 30 seconds and check if it's start working or not. So after doing this, if it's still not working, then the second solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on display, and then here you will see a adaptive brightness button. So turn off this button. If you have turned on the adaptive brightness, then turn it back off, and after turning off this button it will help you to fix your screen timeout issues. But after doing these solutions, if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is try restarting your device. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting it will fix your small software glitches. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same problem while screen timeout, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on apps. Now after opening the apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on reset app preferences. Now here again click on reset option to confirm, and after resetting the app preferences it will fix the screen timeout issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.